So in Japanese grammar, particle no is used to connect the two nouns. Okay, particle no is used to tell the various things. Okay, like my school, watashi no gakko. Okay, watashi no kodomo, my child. So particle no we will study deeply in this video. Okay, so let's get into the site. So use of particle no. Particle no is used to show the possession. Okay, what it means? Particle no is used to tell what you own or what somebody own. The second use of particle no gives the information. So it is also used to pass the information. And third use is to sh to show the relation. Okay, so these are the three major use of particle no. Okay, particle no and some few notes is the particle no is used to connect the two nouns. Okay, so let's move further. Hi. Before learning, we will first understand the vocabulary. So let's take suppose Tanaka-san. Here, first name I take a Tanaka-san. Tanaka-san is the name of the person. Tanaka-san is the person name. Second is particle no. Particle no, if it connects to nouns, the particle no is हिंदी में it is used as a का की के. ओके, मराठीमध्ये पार्टिकल नोचं मिनिंग होतं चाचीचे. ओके, खाबान is a bag and this is. So let's move to next. Yeah. So here Tanaka-san is our noun one and Khaban is a noun two. So as discussed, Tanaka-san is a person name. Tanaka-san no Khaban des. It means Tanaka-san's bag. Particle no in this example shows the possession. Okay, so it as per this example, the owner of this bag is Tanaka-san. Got it? In Hindi, if we can say Tanaka-san ki bag and Marathi madhe Tanaka-san chi bag. So like this particle no's first use is to show the possession. Let's move further to the second example. Okay, before moving to second example, we will study the vocabulary. Okay. Second example, as the Tanaka-san is a person name, no is a particle. Kodomo, the meaning of Kodomo is child. This is M is R. So the second example, Tanaka-san no Kodomo this. It means Tanaka-san's child. So particle no is work like a apostrophe S of English. Tanaka-san's child. Okay, Tanaka-sanचे child. Okay, मराठी मधले नो इज चाचीचे. हिंदी में इट इज नो इज एक्ट लाइक ए काकी के. तानाका सान का child. So no is used like that. Connecting in this example, particle no shows the relation. Okay, so particle no is shows the relation in this example. Now let's move to the next example of particle no. So before going to the next example, let's study the vocab. Tanaka-san is a person name. No is a particle. Gakko means school. Okay. This you already know. This means is. So let's suppose Tanaka-san no gakko desu. Here again, Tanaka-san is a noun one, and this is noun two. So Tanaka-san की school. Okay. मराठीमध्ये Tanaka-sanचं school. Okay. So noun one and noun two is connected by particle no. So in this example, particle no gives the information. Okay. So understand particle knows gives the possession in first example, then relation, and then information. This is how particle no is used for. So yeah, I hope you understand particle no. That's it for now. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. ありがとうございました。